This is a tour of one of my favorite websites, LibraryThing.com. LibraryThing is a social networking and catalog site where users can keep track of books they've read and create various collections of books, such as favorites, wish lists, or even a list of books for a specific semester. Users can also contribute to the community by tagging books and adding bibliographic information to items, as well as connect with other users. Overall, it's a really useful and fun site for book lovers. Once you've logged in, you can start by editing your profile. Here you can add information about yourself to help users get to know you better. From there, you can start by adding books to your collection, so you click on the Add Books tab. You might want to start a collection of, say, books you are currently reading. So in this box, you just add the title of a book, and you can search by the title or author, ISBN if you prefer. You can add tags to the book right here, or you can do it at a later date. You choose which collection you'd like to add the book to. So for this book, we're going to be adding it to the currently reading collection. And then we choose where we want to search. And it defaults to Amazon.com, so we can just leave it at that. Then we just click search. And all the books are listed on the right here, and the book we're looking for is at the top. So to add it to our list, we just simply click on the title and it's added. And to review our collections, we click on the Your Books tab at the top of the page here, and you can see that our book has been added. You'll see that our book shows up in the currently reading folder, and all of these folders are editable right here. You can delete specific collections here. You can add more and rename some, or you can just move them around. So once you have a book in your collection, you can edit it. You can add more tags here. So social media, any word that helps describe the book to increase findability. You can also rate the book here out of 5 stars, so we can give it a 5. You can change which collection it is at a time to whatever is applicable. You can also see how many members here have already added this book to their profile. So there's 275 for this book, and this shows how many reviews there has been for this book. If you click on the name of the book here, it'll take you to the item record, and all this information here is editable, just like a wiki. So you can add more tags if you want. The tags here help show exactly what the book is about. You can see what LibraryThing recommends, books that are similar. You can read reviews about the book or add your own. And you can also change the bibliographic information here. In addition to managing your collections, you can also connect with other users. So you can see that there's 275 people who have added this book. So if you click on this number, it'll show all the members who have added this to their collections. And if you want to connect with the user here, you could just choose, say, this person right here. They have given the book a 5 star as well. So maybe you'll just have things in common with this user. So if you click on their name, it'll take you to their profile. If you click on their tag cloud, it'll show you some of the books they've reviewed, and these are the tags they've given to their books. So then you can see if you have similar interests to the person. From there, you can add them to your friends or to your contacts. You can also privately watch them. So that's just a brief introduction to LibraryThing. There's so much more to the website, such as local information up here. You put in your current location and it'll show you upcoming local events at libraries or bookstores. It'll show you locations of bookstores around your area. There is also a section of interesting statistics, including top rated books. So if you're looking for a book to read, for example, you could just check out the top 25 books by rating. There's so much more to this website, so check it out and make LibraryThing a home for your books too.